Ford F-150 Lightning recalled over reversing light failure. The Ford F-150 Lightning, the electric version of America's best-selling truck, is under recall due to a defect that could leave drivers unable to signal when reversing. A manufacturing flaw allows moisture to enter the rear light bar, potentially causing the reversing lights to fail intermittently or stop working entirely. This is a safety concern because drivers behind the truck may not realize it's backing up, increasing the risk of collision, serious injury, or even death. Ford has issued a recall notice acknowledging the issue, and affected owners should contact their dealer for a free inspection and repair. The recall affects just 2 vehicles manufactured between 2021 and 2023. Owners can check if their truck is impacted by referencing the attached vehicle identification number VIN list. The original recall notice is also available for review. While the F-150 Lightning isn't officially sold in Australia by Ford, a local firm called AUSEV imports and converts the trucks to right-hand drive. AUSEV backs each vehicle with a 5-year, unlimited kilometer warranty and can be contacted at 1300 911 294 for assistance. Notably, Ford Australia has not confirmed whether the next generation of the F-150 Lightning will be available locally. Despite demand from enthusiasts, the current model may eventually be replaced by an extended-range electric vehicle, EREV, but this remains uncertain. The recall highlights the importance of rigorous quality control in electric vehicle manufacturing. Even small defects, such as moisture intrusion, can have serious safety consequences. Manufacturers must prioritize reliability to ensure consumer trust and avoid preventable accidents.